Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to learn how to reverse words in a sentence. So here is my sentence, that is the variable called sentence, and the string that is Python is very popular is assigned to this variable sentence. And now I would like to reverse it. What do I mean when I say that I want to reverse it? It means that I want to have this popular very is Python. So it's like I'm reading from the right side. Popular very is Python. So this is reversing the sentence. In order to do that, we use the split function for the sentence variable, and we are having colon -1, meaning that we are going to start reading it from the right hand side, and we are going to join them by any space that is there. So there are spaces here, and this is assigned to a variable called a reverse sentence. And then finally we are printing the reverse sentence in the output that we see it here in the output.